how can you share the Safari tabs across devices? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So if you are using, for example, a lot of people have the iPad and the iPhone, and if you want to access the same tabs and websites, you have to sync it all together. The first prerequisite or condition is that both devices have the same Apple ID that's being used. So in your settings at the top, you have like a profile, the Apple ID, your name, and that is supposed to be the same thing, which I assume it is, but I just have to mention it. And then since we're inside of the settings, we're going to go to that personal section of the profile at the top, and we need to proceed to the iCloud because Safari gets synced over iCloud, and you can see all of the different services and apps, but essentially we just want to find the Safari and have the green toggle next to it enabled. And not only on one device, it has to be applied on the other, like on the iPhone and iPad or multiple iPhones, whatever the device type, but that's how it's supposed to work. And then it will get synchronized. So that's how you would like to do that most likely. And it also applies to like different things like the bookmarks and all of that kind of stuff. Like essentially you just want to have a consistent experience across the board. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.